How are you? Quick tips on how to scale your YouTube channel from yours truly, Deejay Iconiqq. Rule number 1, be authentic. Authentic, that means be the real you. Don't fake your accent, don't fake your language, just be the real you. Do you. That is what we want to see, especially if you're creating a channel where you want to show your face, like this one. The second one is find a niche. That is a particular field that you want to target, yeah? That you have a particular audience in your head. Target and do the most. However, if you have no niche, the thing that you have to do is get in the habit of creating. Create regularly. Kwanza, get yourself in that motion, yeah? Create regularly. Then the third one, I want to see you put work. That is the last one. Put in maximum effort in your videos. Some people just throw in videos expecting to get quick money and get monetized suddenly just by chance. Put in work. That is what we want to see. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.